LA Choppers recently had the opportunity to stop by and see Drew and the crew at Evolution Cycles. We heard they were throwing a set of our Jackrabbit bars on a softtail chopper build they were doing, so of course we had to stop by and check it out. The Jackrabbit bars feature an integrated rigid riser system, giving you an absolutely custom look and a super rad feel. The Jackrabbit bar is offered in one height, and that's 10 inches. The width on this bar will be 28.5 inches with 4 inches of pullback. This stainless steel bar is offered in chrome as well as gloss black. So go out and get yourself a set of American-made Jackrabbit handlebars from LA Choppers. Thanks for stopping by, and you guys enjoy the ride.
For more information on the products listed in this video, click on the link in the description area below. Feel free to call us with any questions or place an order at 800-969-7501. Don't forget to smash that like button, comment, share, and subscribe for all of the latest DK events, videos, and promos.